Hi, hope you are doing well. So, for managing customer queries, in Odoo we have a module CRM, Customer Relation Management. Let's explore this module. Okay, let me click on the CRM. In CRM, we have a dashboard here. In this dashboard, we can easily check our new leads, which leads are qualified, and which are in proposition stage, and the last one is the warm stage. Okay, so you can manage your client's queries here, and you can move the queries according to your stages. So these are some stages. So and also we that's the opportunity dashboard. And let's say we have a lead dashboard as well. So basically, this is a raw leads form. In this form, we can see we have a raw leads, and we have a multiple options here. Like we can upload the leads here. Let's say if we run any campaign in our social media platforms, we can upload these leads here, and we can also connect our websites. So for the websites, let's say for on the website, these leads will be generated here. Okay, and we have a multiple options here to generate these leads, and this lead is just a raw form of the leads, and you can qualify these leads and then convert into opportunities. So for the opportunities, we have a separate dashboard, which I recently showed you. So if I click on any query like this, like these are some queries uh, which we received from our customers. Okay. All right. Let's say talk about this one. Pricing for 25 days. Okay. We can call it and confirm it the QD, and after the confirmation, so it's converted into our opportunity. So let's convert. When we click on the opportunity, so as we can see, we have some options here. So convert into opportunity or merge with the existing opportunity. Let's say we have another existing opportunity, so we can merge these with the existing opportunity. Right now, create a new opportunity. We can add a salesperson as well and the sales team. And then we have an option here, create a contact, create a new customer or link with the existing customer. So let's say this customer is already onboarded and uh, buying the things from us like on a monthly or daily basis. So we know that about this customer, so we can merge this customer with their existing contact here. Okay, so we have a option here. So let's create a new customer and new opportunity here. Just click on new opportunity. When we click on new opportunity, so what happened? So that lead will be goes into opportunity form. Let's jump on my pipeline. Right now you can see it's here. Like on a new, we can see we have a pricing for 25 desk. Okay, so in this form, we can see we can add some details. Like we can add a expected revenue. Let's say we will receive 2,500 bucks here, and the probability is also set up. You can change the probability as well. Then we have a contacts which already there, email, phone number. We can select the salesperson as well, or we can assign this to any salesperson. We can add an expected closing date. Okay, and then we can prioritize the lead like on a low priority, high, and a very high priority. Okay, so for these things, these priority is if we select any of these priorities, all right, so this lead or opportunity will be shown on the top of the stage. Okay, and we can also set up some tags. In a tags like information tag, design tag, we can create our own tags as well for this related QA. And in notes, So in notes, we have a full-fledged option to write, attach anything here. Okay. So in the attachment, like let's say if you have any media, if you have any file, or if you have any button here, so you can add it here, or just add a slash here. So in the slash, you can see we have some more options, like we can add a heading or then add a content here, or code, or like bullets. So these are some bullets. All right, and the other thing is even we can create a whole table as well. Like in the table, you can see this query related have some information, and you can create some table, and then we have some options here like media files upload or any link. You can add a buttons here. So we have a full-fledged thing related to like customer notes. Okay, just save it, and these are some stages. Let's jump on the main, and let's say in the new, the lead is qualified. So right now you can see we have a qualified lead here, and then we have a proposition stage at the bottom, and we can also schedule some activities here. If I click on the activities, so right now you can see we already have some activities, like we have to do a call or an email or different activities for our clients, and we can create our new activity as well, like we have to send we have to do a call. Okay, so we can schedule a date for just to know that if we click on that, the due date is match, and we can assign a person as well, like who is the responsible for this date, this call. I'll assign myself, and I can also add some notes. So here you can see we can create an activity, and we can check all the activities in a view. So right now we can see are some views. In the last one, activity view, so I can check my pipeline and my activities as well, like how many activities I have, like the calls, the emails, the meetings, documents, signatures. I can check my all, and my systems tell me like which activity is in pending stage, or which one we have to do today, or so for this, right now you can see we have a red color. So red color means that the activity is overdue, and we have a yellow color. For the yellow color, like today we have to do these activities, and the green is like it's maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So these activities are planned. So we can find activities like the color basis as well, and we have more views, like the first view is Kanban and the list view for our opportunities. Then we have a calendar view. In a calendar view, we can check like in which date we have a activity here. And then we have a pivot view. So their pivot view is very strong. We have a proper analysis here, and we can create our own analysis. Like these are some, you can see the stages. So we can add some more details here. Like we can add some filters, and we can extract data here. So right now you can see we have a multiple, like we can I just set on a country or a city wise analysis. All right, and we can add some more data here, like country wise and then the city wise. So let me select first country, then city. So these are some analysis. We can add more analysis here, and we can add the salespersons in a country, in a city with salesperson. done their opportunities, and then we have a graph view. In a graph view, we can set in a graphical representation like our working, and then in the last we have a map view. The map view we can check our data. So these are some views, right? Let me remove the filters. Okay. So right now I'll just move this into proposition stage. In a proposition stage, we can also share quotations to our clients. Just click on a new quotation, and we can see all the information is fetched, like their customer details or their address, phone number, email already there. And now we have to just create a code for desk. We have a 25 desk. Let's create a code, and the quantity is 25, and then we can set up a price as well, like each unit price is 100, and then we have a 2500. Confirm it, and we can directly send this code or a sales order to our clients. So right now we can see we have sent a quotation or a sales order to our client. So you can directly send these things. And after the confirmation, let's say the last one is our won stage. And let's move this into the won stage. So these are our won opportunities. So that's the overview of Odoo CRM, how you can manage your leads, and then leads will convert into opportunities, and you can directly share quotations to your clients and manage your all activities here. All right. Thank you.